Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the transition then diffusion capacitance. Okay. First, what is transition capacitance and what is diffusion capacitance? Diffusion capacitance means it occurs in the forward bias diode. So it is called as storage capacitance. It is denoted as CD. Okay. So it occurs due to storage carrier near the depletion region. It is occur in the forward bias condition. So due to the storage charge of minimum electrons and holes near the depletion region. So it has the formula of CD into tau T by Vk into ID. So where ID is the diode current, so tau T is the minority carrier lifetime and Vk is the knee voltage. So next, what is transition capacitance? Here transition capacitance is otherwise called as junction capacitance or depletion capacitance because due to charges in depletion region. So it is very predominant or in reverse bias condition. It has the formula of Ct is equal to C0 by 1 plus modulus of Vr by Vk into whole power 1 by 2. So here C0 is capacitor under no bias condition. Vr is reverse bias voltage and Vk is knee voltage. So this is the graphical representation of transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance in PN junction diode. Here on your right hand side in the positive voltage side, the graph referred as diffusion capacitance. It occurs in the forward bias condition. Okay. On your left hand side, a graph of transition capacitance occurs on your left hand side in the negative side, that is reverse bias condition mode. Okay. So what is transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance? This is transition capacitance. So in transition capacitance, it occurs in a reverse bias in the depletion region. So here it acts as a insulator. So it is parallel. The PN junction, it's a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, it has the space charged capacitance or transition capacitance and it is denoted as CT. CT has the formula of dq by dt dV, where dq is the increase in charge with decrease in voltage dV. Okay, this increased in uncovered charge with applied voltage may be considered as a capacitive effect. So this one is diffusion capacitance. Here diffusion capacitance, this is the depletion region. This region is called depletion region. So it is forward bias. Here the capacitance is larger than the transition capacitance. So the type of capacitance is called diffusion capacitance and is denoted as CD. This is diffusion capacitance. So here this is a graphical representation of transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance in the forward bias and reverse bias condition. Okay, students, thank you.